In this lecture, I'll cover what is dangling image and how to remove dangling images in the system. If we build same Docker file again and again with same repository name and same tag, this leaves dangling images in the system. Over time, these images can occupy lots of space on the disk and cause issues. So I will show how to create dangling images and how to remove those images in a single command. I have taken a sample Docker file which prints Java home as an output. Let's create Docker image. Docker build -t, my app is the repository name, 001 is the tag. We're running this command first time. It creates Docker image as follows. Now let me change Docker file slightly and build this again with same repository name and tag. Let's make this Java home 2 and build again, but notice we are using same repository name and same tag. Now let's print Docker images and see over there. There is one entry with repository none and tag none. So this is called a dangling image. Now, how to remove dangling image or images? You may have 1 or 100. The command to remove dangling images, only dangling images, is docker image prune -f. This command removes all dangling images. Check Docker images and we have images with repository and tag. We lost all images with repository as none and tag as none. Thanks for watching.